Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanaeah. Stay tuned to see how I got this look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Tanaeah.Gladden. Stay tuned for the next video. So first things first, I'm taking this red shade from the Box of Crayons palette and I'm packing that on my lid. After I pack it on the lid, I'm gonna take a blending brush and blend out the edges and like smoke it out. And this look is going to be very simple and easy and quick to do. And you don't have to use the same colors as I did. Now I'm going to go into my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that purple shade. It doesn't have a name, but it's the only purple shade in the palette. I'll put that on my bottom lash line and make it like smoky also. And I'm going to drag it out as like a little wing underneath that pink. You'll see as I'm doing it. I'm just gonna add some glitter in the inner corner, and I'm gonna take some duo lash glue and put that on there first, and then take some glitter. It's like a pink purplish glitter I got from, I don't remember, but yeah. Now for the lashes, and these lashes are by Ardell Lashes, and they're in the style 207. Very simple and pretty. Don't mind the faces I'm making. I was talking to my sister also while I was putting these on. Now I'm just gonna add some pink eyeliner. Well, it could be lip or eyeliner. It's from Sephora and it's in the shade Called Girl. And for the lips, I'm just gonna add some primer oil by Smashbox first, and then I'm gonna add some lip liner from MAC in the shade Chestnut. After I do that, I'm gonna take some lipstick from ColourPop in the shade Cookie, and then on top of that, I'm gonna add some butter gloss by NYX in the shade Peanut Brittle. This is the final look, very vibrant and pretty, perfect for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.